Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn about the Pareto Chart, a helpful tool in project management and quality control to identify the most significant factors among many. What is a Pareto Chart? A Pareto Chart is a bar graph combined with a line graph. It arranges categories from highest to lowest on the bars and adds a cumulative percentage line on top. Why use a Pareto Chart? It helps you prioritize issues, focus on the vital few, and it is based on the 80-20 rule. Roughly 80% of effects come from 20% of causes. Key components. The x-axis shows categories ordered from highest to lowest. The left y-axis shows frequency or count of each category for the bars. The right y-axis shows cumulative percentage for the line. And the cumulative line shows the running total percentage. Steps to create a Pareto chart. 1. Collect data by category. 2. Count occurrences or measure impact. 3. Sort categories in descending order. 4. Compute cumulative counts and percentages. 5. Draw bars for frequencies. 6. Plot the cumulative percentage line. 7. Interpret and identify the vital few. Now, the example. Suppose we track product defects. Scratch equals 50, dent equals 30, discoloration equals 15, and misalignment equals 5. The total is 100. The cumulative percentages are 50, then 80, then 95, and finally 100. Let's build the Pareto chart step by step. We will draw the bars first, then add the cumulative line, and finally the right side percentage axis and the 80% guide. Interpretation. The first two categories, scratch and dent, together reach about 80% of the total defects. So focus improvement efforts there first to get the biggest impact. Tips. Use software like Excel or Minitab to automate. Label both axes and percentages clearly and combine with root cause analysis tools like the 5 whys or fishbone diagrams to turn the insight from the Pareto chart into action. Thanks for watching. Use Pareto charts to focus on the biggest issues and drive improvements.